Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Let's get into what we're doing today in reading class. So as you know from our last class, we are building towards our final assessment in Unit 5, the argument unit. And so today we are getting started with that. You have 10 minutes of reading per the usual, your weekly reflection, if not completed yet this week in the reading log. Make sure to log your reading, even if you don't have to do the weekly reflection today. And then the last thing we are doing is the Unit 5 final assessment, which is that discussion board where you are putting together an argument. So you will not find that final assessment on My Class Schoology. You will only find that in Mrs. Todd's ELA Schoology, where we both have access to, and we both will be grading parts of the rubric, as you know from Mrs. Todd's last class and analyzing the rubric. So there you will find your resolution, the topic of your argument, the side of the argument of which you were assigned, and the other members of your group. So best of luck. Feel free to look back on some of those resources that I discussed in my last video to help you form your arguments. Make sure all of the resources you're using are reliable. Make sure you link your resources. Use ethos, pathos, and logos, and make great arguments. I know you guys are going to do awesome. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, best of luck, and I hope that it goes very well for you.